Hey, Artsies. Here I am, packing up school. This is really weird. So quiet and empty in here. It's like the school just opened or something. Here's the art room. Totally empty. Well, it's been a year, hasn't it? I miss all your faces. Really miss that art mojo that we normally thrive on. Hopefully this will all return to some sort of normalcy at some point next year, and get to see you again. Thank you so much for continuing to play in art. Like, it really fed our souls to see you getting creative in our weird times. And it made it more manageable to be separated. So thank you for that. Hope you have a great summer, and stay safe. If you're interested, we are continuing quarantine art and photo over the course of the summer, as you hopefully know by now. So if you go to instagram.com, quarantine art, and go to that profile, give it a follow. And every week we're gonna release a new challenge, just a simple hashtag word, one that you can interpret using photography or art or whatever you choose. Yeah, let's play. I'm gonna try to do it too this summer, because it'll give us a focus on something to do, since lots of things are still closed, can't go to camp, things like that. So if you're interested, check that out. That's about it for now. Peace out. Hopefully see you next year. Have a great summer, guys.